In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bin dates for custom date levels in Tableau, a process you can master in just 5 minutes. So, whether you're an analytics pro or a beginner, stay with me, and let's dive into it together. First, we need to start by opening the Tableau public app. If you don't have it installed yet, I recommend downloading and setting it up, as it's a powerful tool for data visualization. Once you've got Tableau open, the next step is to access your worksheet. This is where all the magic happens, where you'll organize data visually to make it easier to analyze and understand trends or patterns. Next, you'll want to drag the state field onto the filters shelf. This action allows you to focus on data from specific regions, which can be incredibly useful if you're working with a large data set and want to streamline your view to particular locations or areas of interest. Doing this helps in making our analysis more targeted. Once that's set, locate the drop-down arrow at the top of your data panel and click it. From here, choose Create Calculated Field. Here's where you can get creative. Calculated fields are essential for customizing your data and creating new data points that didn't exist in the original dataset. When naming this new field, choose something intuitive that reflects its purpose, which helps in managing complex worksheets. Inside your calculated field, type in the required query. This query is the formula that Tableau will use to modify the existing data and create something new. After typing it, click OK to save your changes. This is an incredibly crucial step. Now, find the calculated field you just created, right-click on it, and head over to the Create option, selecting Bins. Binning is a great technique for simplifying data and understanding distribution. Think of it as placing data into containers or bins based on their values. Name your bins and enter a size to determine how wide each of these bins should be. This size will affect how detailed the distribution of the binned data appears. With that done, drag the new bins you've created to the columns shelf. This visualizes your bins and sets the stage for the next step: understanding your profits better. Next, you're going to take the profit field and drag it to the rows shelf. Here, click the drop-down arrow, navigate to Measure, and select Average. This way, instead of just seeing a sum, you're looking at the average profit. This can provide a clearer picture of performance across your binned date levels. Finally, to make the visualization more intuitive, drag the state field onto the color shelf. This adds a layer of color-coded differentiation, making it easier to spot how different states are performing at a glance. Once everything is in place, you have a sophisticated visual representation using custom date bins, a valuable skill for any data analyst. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this step-by-step guide was helpful.